Hey lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making something sweet and crunchy with a little bit of Nigerianness. I'm making apple coleslaw with suya. What's special about this suya is that I'm making use of shabu shabu meat. Shabu shabu meat is the Japanese meat that is used for the hot pot. They just beef that are thinly sliced so that they can cook very quickly, and this is just perfect for my suya. So here's my shabu shabu meat, very thinly sliced. They are so thin and they are just perfect. So if you think coleslaw is boring, please stay with me because this one has character. Apples bring the sweetness and the crunch, but first we're going to start by making our suya. I added a bit of vegetable oil into a bowl, added my suya spice. You can add as much or as little as you like. Mix it together into the oil like so. This is my very first time of using shabu shabu meat to make suya, and I think it worked really well, apart from the fact that it didn't hold the shape like flat like it would when you're using it for hot pot, because when you use it for hot pot you just dip it in the liquid and it cooks and it's still nice and flat. But for suya I could not make it hold its shape, but that doesn't really matter. I came in with a bit of salt as well, and I came in with my hand and just massaged the meat, and because they were so thin I could not even do any rigorous mixing, just the tip of my finger. Then I came in with a bit of mayonnaise, mix it in as well, and straight away I laid it on my line tray and it went in the oven. So I did not leave it to rest or anything. It was ready to go in the oven, and I cooked it in the oven for about 10 minutes. While that was cooking, I started with my coleslaw. I'll be using just half of this cabbage for my coleslaw, and I'll keep the other half in the fridge because this is just a meal for two people to eat at a time, and if I use the whole cabbage it's just going to be too much. So I went ahead to slice my cabbage like this. If you have a shredder, feel free to do that. I do not have a shredder that can do a good job, so I used my knife. Let me use this opportunity to thank you if you're still watching this video. Thank you so very much. Really appreciate you. Do not forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, a warm welcome to you. My name is Yinka. Thank you so very much for stopping by. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section that you're new so that I can welcome you properly. Next, I went ahead to shred my carrot. I'm using my julienne shredder. I shredded that. Off camera, I had washed my cabbage and I put it in my salad spinner to get out all the water. Sorry, I didn't want to bore you with all those details. So added my carrot to my cabbage. Next, I'm going to be starting on my apple. This is just red apple. They're sweet ones. They're not tangy or anything. Remove the core and you're going to slice them as thinly as possible. This was a bit of a task, maybe because of my knife, but it is very important for you to do that. They're actually very satisfying to watch. After slicing the apple, you're going to add it into the mix like so, and then you're going to come in with some mayonnaise and some more suya spice because I'm going for that suya flavor. You remember, I'm making my suya in the oven right now. If you don't want to use suya spice or you don't have suya spice, use some black pepper, a little bit of salt, okay? That will also work fine. Added a little drizzle of honey just for some extra sweetness, and you're just going to mix everything together. For the salad dressing, if you decide not to use mayonnaise, you can also use some yogurt in place of that mayonnaise. Just add some honey and season it a little bit. That would also work fine. So here is my suya. My suya is nicely cooked after 10 minutes. That was very, very quick, and I'm surprised at how flavorful this suya is. It just doesn't need all those extra waiting and to marinate and all that. It is straight to the oven and it tasted so delicious. But like I said, it didn't hold the shape, but it's okay. That is totally fine. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching this video. Really, really appreciate you. Do not forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment also, help me to share, okay? Thank you so very much. Now my meal is ready. And considering how quickly this came together, it just doesn't match how enjoyable it was. I really, really enjoyed this with my daughter, and we just finished it in one go. With that said, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.